Hello, everyone. Suppose you are interested in a bond investment that will be available on August 31st, 2025, and will mature on December 31st, 2030. It offers an annual coupon rate of 5.75% and a $95 bond price per $100 face value. The redemption value remains the same as the face value after maturity, and a semi-annual coupon payment is stated. Now, you can use the yield function in Excel to calculate the rate of return from this investment. Here, settlement is the date of purchase, maturity is the date of maturity, rate is the coupon rate, PR is the bond price per $100 face value, redemption is the redemption value. Frequency is 2 for semi-annual coupon payment, and use any of the available day count basis as stated in the bond offer. Press Enter, and the output suggests that you will get a 6.9% return on the investment. Now you can compare it to the other available offers to make a good decision. And that's it for this tutorial. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will return soon with a new tutorial.